Welcome to this rare opportunity for a classic Alameda Ridge colonial home. It's situated in a highly sought-after neighborhood with sweeping views of the city, including the city center. A covered front porch invites you inside. You'll discover a spacious interior with generous-sized rooms, gorgeous views, and beautiful hardwood floors throughout. Just off the dining room, relax on the newer large deck and take in the panoramic views. Built in 1917, this Alameda Ridge home exudes character throughout, with built-ins and abundant natural light. You'll find plenty of space for everyone with more than 3,800 square feet. This home has 2 master suites, including one on the main level. Heading upstairs, you'll find another large master suite where you can wake up to spectacular views. Plus, it has a light and bright full bath. It's also situated for taking in brilliant sunsets. Nearby public stairs will take you down the ridge to Sandy Blvd's shops and entertainment, or you can stroll to Beaumont Village. An exceptional opportunity for a classic colonial home. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Mark Borgeson with Premier Property Group at 503-539-5435.